Hello everybody, STech here. Today we're going to be looking at how to do this kind of weaving braiding pattern that gives you those nice little diamonds. And you'll see it on the drift pickaxe in Fortnite and the infinity blade in Fortnite. And maybe some other things as well, I'm not really sure. Those are the things that I know of. So what you're going to want to do is, if you're using ribbon, then you'll just use ribbon and skip this part with the duct tape. If you're already using duct tape, because you need to be black, you take a long piece of duct tape, longer than this. I'm just doing a small base for an example. Then you'll take it and see if you can fold it in half. Let's see. There we go. And fold it in half like that. And then cut it in half. Just like that. So now I have what I just did off camera. I have a nice strip like this. So what you're going to do is fold it in half. So here we go. Take the two ends together and fold it. Now pinch this end, and in that half where you made that fold, put it in the center of the back. Now you're gonna keep this tight all the time. So take this piece right here, if you can see. Let's zoom in. So you're gonna take it and you're gonna go fold once, a triangle like that, and then fold a second time, and then pull it over. So if you can see that. And now I'm just gonna put my finger on this side and keep it tight. Now, same thing for this side. You're going to go fold once. There we go, unraveled. Fold once. Fold twice. And then you're going to flip it over. On this side, you're going to repeat the same process. Take it, you're going to fold it once. And then you're going to fold it twice. Go twice like that, and then take this one and go fold it once, fold it twice, and then you can see that diamond pattern starting to form. Let's do a couple more rows. That. Now remember, you can do this with ribbon, maybe a shoelace. I'm not sure what you want to do with, and whatever you want. I'm just using duct tape because that's what I had. So now let's see. Fold it once, fold it twice, and then I think I'll end here. So when you want to end, you can just like hot glue it down. You could tape it down, whatever you want to do. As you can see, that's that nice diamond pattern you'll see on the infinity blade, and you'll also see it in pink ribbon on the drift pick. That's basically it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.